Good afternoon, teacher. My name is Ekaret Mejia Gutierrez and my news about Made in America, the new Biden's plan for serving his economy. This Monday, he will sign an executive order that gives priority to U.S. companies in products contact within the federal government. Despite the risks of cutting off business partners, such as Canada, within an announcement of responsibilities to the new administration. Biden created follows in a wake of measures taken by the Trump encourage the federal state to buy more American products, even throwing custom duties into a weapon against import imposters and mixed results. The new guidance, according to the senior White House officials, aims to both domestic products and save industrial jobs.